Introduction. Today we are going to learn an important mechanical test used in cable industries. This test is called the cold impact test, defined in IEC/EN 60811-506. This test checks whether the insulation or sheath of a cable can withstand impact at low temperatures without cracking. Scope of the test. This test is used for electric and optical fiber cables. It applies to non-metallic materials like insulation and outer sheath. The main aim is to check mechanical strength at low temperature. Test samples preparation. For this test, 3 cable samples are taken. Each sample length should be at least 5 times the cable diameter, with a minimum length of 150 millimeters. Any covering outside the test component must be removed. Apparatus, impact test setup. The impact test apparatus consists of a steel base, test piece holder, and a hammer. The hammer is allowed to fall freely from a height of 100 millimeters. This setup is clearly shown in the IEC standard diagram. Hammer weight selection. The hammer weight depends on the overall diameter of the cable. For thicker cables, heavier hammers are used. The exact hammer mass is selected from Table 1 or Table 2 of the standard. Low temperature conditioning. The cable samples and the apparatus are placed inside a low temperature cabinet. They must be kept at the specified temperature for at least 16 hours. This ensures the sample reaches uniform cold temperature. Test procedure. After conditioning, each test piece is placed on the steel base. The hammer is released from 100 millimeters height, impacting the cable. This process is repeated for all 3 samples. Examination after test. After the impact test, the insulation or sheath is examined visually. No magnification is used. If no cracks are observed, the sample passes the test. Result criteria. All 3 samples must show no cracks. If one sample fails, the test is repeated with 3 new samples. If any crack appears again, the material fails the test. Conclusion. The cold impact test ensures cable safety in cold environments. It is a very important quality test for power, control, and flexible